Do you feel that your life is filled with complexities and pressures? If you're looking for a way to simplify your life and increase your happiness, you're in the right place. In this video, we will methodically review how you can achieve simplicity in your daily life. We'll discuss the importance of eliminating both physical and mental clutter and how to focus on the essential things that bring you joy. We will offer practical tips for reducing unnecessary commitments, organizing your time effectively, and connecting with yourself deeply. Whether you're aiming to simplify your personal or professional life, this video will provide you with the tools you need to live a calmer, more focused life. Introduction to simplicity. Why do we need simplicity in our lives? The impact of complexities on mental and physical health. Clearing physical clutter. How to get rid of unnecessary items that occupy space and drain energy. Prioritizing. How to identify the most important things in your life and focus on them. Effective time management. Tips for reducing unnecessary tasks and allocating time for activities that bring you happiness. Simplicity in relationships. How simple and genuine relationships can enhance your happiness. Maintaining simple thinking. Techniques for freeing your mind from negative and distracting thoughts. Conclusion. A summary of the key points and how you can start your journey towards a simpler, more peaceful life today.